Do you feel shy when speaking English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we'll show you how simple communication in English can be easy and fun. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mia. Today we're going to explore simple communication in English.
The truth is, you don't need perfect grammar to connect with people. You don't need long sentences or rare vocabulary.
What you need is courage, clarity, and practice. And we'll share practical steps you can use right now.
Simple words can open doors. Simple sentences can build friendships. Simple English can help you travel, work, and study.
Let's start learning together.
Think about this. When a tourist visits your city, do they speak long sentences? Usually not. They say, "Where bus?" or "Food here?" and you understand them.
Yes, meaning is more important than perfection. Communication is about sharing ideas, not about showing off grammar.
And in international workplaces, people from many countries use English. They keep it simple. That's how they succeed.
Even in aviation, pilots and air traffic controllers use simple English phrases to stay safe. Simplicity saves lives.
So, simple English is powerful English.
Tip number 1. Use short sentences. Don't say, "I was wondering if you could kindly tell me the direction to the nearest bus stop." Instead, say, "Where is the bus stop?"
That's clear, quick, and polite. Tip number 2. Don't freeze if you make grammar mistakes. If you say "she go market," people still understand "she goes to the market."
And every mistake is a step forward. Mistakes are teachers.
Tip number 3. Choose common words. Say buy instead of purchase. Use instead of utilize.
Everyday English is about being understood, not being complicated.
Tip number 4. Ask questions. Questions show interest. They keep the conversation alive.
What do you like? Where are you from? Do you like coffee? Easy, friendly, and natural.
Tip number 5. Use your body language. Smile, nod, use hands. Communication is more than words.
And when you smile, people feel comfortable.
Some learners say, "I don't want to sound stupid." But remember, even babies start with one word. Mama, milk, play.
Yes, no one expects a baby to speak perfectly. So why expect yourself to speak perfect English from the start?
Exactly. Start small. Say one word, then 2 words, then sentences, step by step.
Simple English is not bad English. It is brave English.
Every time you speak, you win. Silence teaches nothing. Speaking even one word teaches courage. Let's give a real example. Imagine you are in a bookstore. You want to buy a dictionary.
Hello, do you have a dictionary?
Yes, we do. What kind of dictionary?
English to English, please.
Sure, we have small and big. Which do you want?
Small, please. How much is it?
$10.
Okay, I'll buy it.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Very simple but clear.
And that's enough for daily life.
Let's answer some common learner questions. Should I focus more on grammar or communication?
Communication.
Because the goal is to share meaning. Grammar improves with practice. Should I use big vocabulary words to sound smart?
No. Simple words are better. They're faster and people understand them everywhere.
What if I forget a word?
Explain another way. Forget umbrella. Say thing for rain. They'll understand.
Is mixing English with my native language okay?
Yes, in the beginning, but try to add more English step by step. Do I need a perfect accent? No. Clear speech is more important than accent. Think about this. English is spoken by over 1 billion people. Most are not native speakers. Right. And most don't speak perfectly, but they still succeed in jobs, travel, and friendships. So if they can do it, so can you.
Language is a tool, and even a simple tool can build great things.
Try speaking one sentence in English every morning. For example, I drink coffee. Or every night, I go to bed. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see, like, the sky is blue. Or I open the door. Practice with a friend. Ask, how are you? What did you eat?
These small steps build big confidence.
Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is connection.
Mistakes are not failure. They are proof you are trying.
Every time you speak, you are one step closer to fluency.
So speak today. Speak tomorrow. Keep speaking.
Let's check your understanding. 1. What is better for communication? A. Long, complex sentences. B. Short, clear sentences. Answer B. Short, clear sentences. 2. If you forget a word, what should you do? A. Stay silent. B. Explain it another way. Answer B. Explain it another way. 3. Which is more important? A. Perfect grammar. B. Being understood. Answer B. Being understood. 4. Should you smile and use body language? A. Yes. B. No. Answer A. Yes. 5. If you have an accent, what should you focus on? A. Clarity. B. Hiding your accent completely. Answer A. Clarity.
So, today we learned that simple English is strong English.
Use short sentences, common words, body language, and courage.
Practice daily, even with one sentence.
And remember, the goal is connection, not perfection.
Speak bravely, and your English will grow.
Wow, Anna, what a wonderful session today. We've spent time learning about simple communication in English, how to greet people, ask basic questions, share our thoughts, and build confidence in daily conversations. I believe that every learner listening has taken at least one valuable tip they can use right away.
Yes, Anna. And the most important reminder is this: you don't need to be perfect to communicate. What matters is your willingness to try, to express yourself, and to keep practicing. Small steps make big progress. Every hello, every thank you, every how are you is a real achievement.
Exactly. You have the power to connect with people through simple words. Over time, your vocabulary will grow, your sentences will feel easier, and you'll start to speak naturally. Remember, communication is not about fancy grammar. It's about connection.
Before we finish, let's leave our learners with a reflection. Think about this. What was the most useful expression or phrase you learned today? And how can you practice it in a real life situation this week?
That's a great question, Anna. Listeners, you can even write down your answer or say it out loud to a friend or family member. Reflection helps your memory, and memory helps your confidence.
And to keep your curiosity alive, here's a little teaser for next time. How do you stay confident when you don't understand every single word in English? That's what we'll explore in our next learning adventure.
We're so excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for being here with us at Simple English Space. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. See you in the next episode.